Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In the video, I will show you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin. So first of all, let's simply say what exactly is wrong with your Wi-Fi, because there are two main devices that could be at fault here. Either A, it's your phone, or B, the most probable one, it's your router, but let's start with our phone. First of all, let's simply expand our control center and let's press and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon. As you can see, I am currently connected, but you probably will see that you are connected yet you have no Wi-Fi. What do you do in the situation? Well, actually just disable the Wi-Fi completely. You want to give it a few seconds so it will restart properly. As you can see, we have this button here that will reset our internet completely, which is a very good feature. And thanks to that, we don't really have to manually turn off and on like our device completely, but this button will just do good enough. And after it's done, you can simply enable the Wi-Fi back. And as you can see, I am already connected. However, if you're still not connecting, I would just advise you to go into your cogwheel here, and then you want to forget your network. Now your phone will behave like you have never connected to that network in the first place, which is good because this is just repairing once again. So let's click our network and let's input its password. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code from, for example, like your roommate or family member, but I will just input the password instead. And after you have done that, you can simply go into Connect, and if everything went well, you should be connected. However, if you have already done all of that and it's still not working, then probably it's your router that's at fault. Now, unfortunately, I can't really show you how to reboot your router, because trust me, there are like trillions different routers on the world. Generally speaking, you want to unplug it from electricity, you want to leave it off for a couple of minutes, and then you want to plug it on once again. This is just fancy world of restarting the router, and after it restarts, you should have your internet back. Because usually, like, I also have the router and I have problems every single time, and a simple restart just helps. However, if you have already done everything and the restart isn't helping, then this means that it's your internet provider that's at fault here, because they're not providing you with internet. So then I would just advise you to call them, like seriously, or like message them, or for example, you have this site downdetector.com, in which you can see what services in your area are currently not working, because many people can also report the issue. So if you have some issues, you can just call your internet provider and ask them, hey man, my internet is not working and I'm paying for it, can it start working again, please? And usually you will hear information that something isn't working properly, or like they have some problems on their side and it will be fixed soon, or everything else. Though this is like the last resort option. Normally the restarting the internet, clicking the resetting and rebooting your router should help you with your Wi-Fi issues. However, if nothing is helping, once again call the internet provider, ask them what's going on, and they should just answer the question. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.